The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Claremont County, eastern Warren County, southern Greene County, northwestern Clinton County until 6 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Mulberry, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Morrow, Waynesville, in addition, Springvale, Loveland Park, Dallasburg, Murdoch, Mainville, South Lebanon, State Route 123 and State Route 132 in Middleborough are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile markers 30 and 56. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.